welcome to Bluey and Bingo. Please like, share, and subscribe. Oh. Why does, Bingo, it's a boring day. And at least we have Chattermax. Huh? Where did Chattermax go? I don't know, but whoever took him, it made a very bad mess with the tables and chairs. Let's go find him. Okay, but Bingo, you have to get off the swing, okay? Okay. Yay. Let's go find him. Good idea. Hi, Fairy. Look, he's still on the couch. Get him. Oh no, he's too fast. Anyway, now he's on the table. Let's get him. Oh, he's too super duper too fast. All right, thief. Get the toys back. I'm not sure if that's really a thief. I'm sure. Hi, my name is Stitch. What's yours? My name's Bingo. My name's Bluey. Where's Chattermax? Oh, I want you to find Chattermax in different places. Okay. There he is. Phew. There he is again. Phew. He's in the leaf basket. Phew. He's in the barbecue. He's on the couch. Okay, so I love this thing, and I'm the news reader. Hey, what are you doing here? Oh, Stitch has told me that the greatest spot ever is where he hid Chattermax. Found him. There's one way to get there. Whee! 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 Hey, do you want to fix up the chairs with me? They're kind of a mess. Sure. Bluey, do you want to help? No thanks. I'm just going to nap in the hammock. Okay, let's put them back. One table, two tables, one chair. One chair, two chairs, and one table. Great job. Now I have to go now. Wait, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. What are you doing here? I don't know.